How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. Let's do a quick analysis on AMC. I'm trying to get through. I talked about GameStop, and so I just want to see what's AMC doing. And not surprised, they are both doing very similar things. As they're just going sideways for a bit here. You know, you have your super high top here. You have a super. You have this little bottom here that's going to be very nice support if it ever goes there, and not really much to see, right? So, with the strategy, I'm using the band strategy, and I look for precise entries. I look for, probabilities to win over 95% of my trades. If a trade don't exist, I don't alert it, and my Discord members can prove that, I do find very precise bottoms, and I have a nice accumulation roll to where we can win consistently. So, we all see this gap here. As you can see, price went above it, and um, nine times, a lot of the times you do, tend to hit that gap, and that's kind of what we see there. That was just a very easy thing to see. Right here, we also have this gap here. As you can see, there's a near, clear thing here that, we might go down there, but it looks like, you had this wick here when it was going up here. You had this look here, so that might count there. But let's get to the strategy and what actually works, right? Get rid of everything and do strictly this, because I promise you're going to win a lot in the market if you try this. So, as you can see, I have a lot of the advanced. The upper band is the sell zone. This is where price tends to sell off. If you ever see a candle, especially get way above this was an ATR of 8. I have my settings at an ATR 4. They can't sustain it. This is a very rare moment. As you can see, we had lots of volume. And where does price go to? It goes right back to the EMA 5. The yellow's the 10, and the 20's the blue. The purple is my EMA 5, and I have a whole strategy based on that, because that price is going to rapidly hit it fast. So as you can see, when you hit the EMA 5 and you get away from it, look what happens. You have the candles. These candles are not touching your EMA 5. And then we hurry up and have a candle that hits it. My prediction, once it hits it, it goes down, and we create more distance away from this 10 and 20. We just recently hit the 10 here and the 20 there. So there's really not much wiggle room to get above here. If you look at it, the EMA 20 is at 473. The price is 468. It's so close to it that the risk versus reward of taking this trade is just not there. I'd much rather take it down in here where we're below the EMA 5, that if I want to just scale out, I can just scale out right in here for, best risk management. As you want to say, you always want to have price, you never want to get into price when it's moving up fast. You should be scared when you start seeing candles like this. It's up 78%, people are chasing it, and we know, price can't sustain above this upper band. We want to look for price, here's another good example. Right here, we're away from the EMA 5 for 2 days here. Guess what happens? We pump well above it and go way up here, right? And that's just a good thing. That just means, you were just more right about your trade and you make more money. But you would never take your trades above all these exponential moving averages. Notice how more often than not, they get shorted down. Unless if it's a company like NVIDIA that's super big and, more fundamentally sound, a lot of them respect the EMAs and they resume an uptrend. AMC has been down on a nasty downtrend for quite some time. It's been down for, a long time. So it's very hard to, it's going to take a while to form that reputation to get the uptrend. So for my analysis here, it's just like GameStop. It's not really in a buy zone. If you guys know my thing, you want to make sure you're under the EMA 5, and there's a reason why, not to say, I'm bragging, but this system works. You can win over 95% of your trades as long as you're patient and you do exactly how, I say this. And I'm going to show you guys the A plus setup. You see this lower band here. That means that it's a stronger buy. What I'm showing you is just the EMA 5, 10, and 20 strat and just correcting to it. But your best buys, and I made a video here and called it, as you can see right in here, look what happened here. We had this massive time distance of the 10 and 20, and we're touching the lower band. And guess what happens is we shoot up and correct to it, making massive money for the Discord members. Another example was right in here. right in here, we're in the downtrend. So we knew buyers had to step in eventually. Price won't just go. I mean, yes, there's going to be, it goes down, but you're going to have corrections. And look at this correction up, and then you can go down. And then right here, you hit the EMA 20 and then some. But you're always going to have those moves where, okay, let's do a little reversion to the mean. And next example was right here. You hit the lower band, reversion to the mean, hit the 5, hit the 10, and all the way up to the 20. As long as you're patient, it will do it. But obviously, you want to take gains, because you never want to trade to go, red if you're green. And so that's why I say take those corrections and make massive money. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and how to up your trading, how to trade like a pro, and know why you take these signals, this is the strategy to do it, guys. This right here is the best in my honest opinion, and you will win over 95% of your trades as long as you stick to what I say. And it took me a long time to develop it, but it's a very nice strategy. So if you click the link down below, there'll be a link that says join the premium Discord. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Read how to subscribe. Read avoid scammers. But the easiest way is just go to Server Shop, and you will see I offer 2 memberships at a very affordable price on how to trade like a pro. We have Swing Trading Plus is only $6, and Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12. $12 a month will access all these channels out on the subscriptions tab here. It is highly recommended, as you're going to get more alerts, you're going to get more education, and you get just more knowledge is power, right? Or if you just want Swing Trading Plus, that's there too. $6 a month. And what basically, guys, I'm really trying to teach you guys how to fish, because anybody can give out alerts. But if you don't know why you're taking a trade, like why would I take AMC when it's below this EMA 5, and how do I get precise entries by using lower time frames like the 5-minute? As you can see on the 5-minute, you see a nice rejection here, and then it goes down. Because why would you ever, buy at this upper band on the lower time frame? So we use lower time frames to get more precise entries, and it's just a very nice system, guys. So I'm more interested in to teach you guys how to fish, because that's the best way to trade, and you'll be more confident. So you're gonna get my alerts. If you want to take it, you get straight to your phone. I journal my trades on why I win over 95%, so you can see what stocks I'm in. And yeah, this is my conclusion on AMC. Just like GME, not really anything to watch. I would wait for some time distance away from EMA 5. There's really not much upside to the EMA 20. Yes, you can go above it in this area, but it's just not really worth the risk versus reward. I have a lot of good trades to show you guys, so I really hope you do decide to join, because I am excited for everyone and let's make some money together. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it, and I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out. Happy trading.